When we say that it is the Igbo people that are making Nigeria look tall on the international stage, they will say we always brag. But tell me, why won't we brag? Mba, why we no go brag? Okay, check out the 6 Nigerians that were finally selected in the 2026 NBA draft. 5, he say. 5 out of them are our prestigious Igbo sons. Anyị ji eme ọnụ. Ndị mmadụ unu tinyere m power na comment section. Nke ọwụ gịnị? In fact, in the whole of Africa, Igbo dominated with 5 solid players drafted by the NBA out of 10 players of African descent. Adịghị ama aka. Anaghị ekpuchi ọnwa. Ka awa aka ekpuchi ọnwa. The 5 Igbo sons who were drafted by the NBA include Ebuka Okori, Felix Okpara, Otega Owe, Zubi Ejiofor, and Ugonna Onyensong. Congratulations, Umuchukwu, Umaije Jemba. We are immensely proud of you all. The lizard that fell from the Iroku says, if nobody would praise him, it would praise himself. And yes, remove Igbo from Nigeria. Nigeria, the kasha kogo ishiri no kukemu 5 days. Kumoto de pito, rare. Now, for those of you that don't know, the NBA stands for the National Basketball Association. It is the world's #1 professional basketball league, featuring the best basketball players from around the world. The league is based in the United States and Canada. It consists of 30 teams. Every year, teams compete during the regular season, followed by the playoffs, with the top teams slugging it out for the NBA championship. Being selected in the NBA draft means an NBA team has chosen a player and secured the right to sign them to begin their professional basketball career. It is one of the biggest milestones in basketball as it opens the door to playing in the world's most competitive basketball league. Congratulations to our Igbo sons for making us proud. Abumoni. My shoulders something too high. Able to yourself problem. No need that journal. That journal now. Well, bye. Don't forget, if your children do not know how to speak Igbo or solve mathematics properly, bring them into my academy. If you want Japa or a defined solution concerning Japa things, come, I did for you. If you want to learn how to create content and edit videos, I am also here for you. If you also want to learn AI content, come, I did for you. We have lands available for sale across Igbo regions. Send me a DM.